So first, what we're going to do is crush some garlic. Of course, peel it. Or panitan. Amo na siya. Inidasig ko lang. I-dice mo siya. Hiwain. Kung sa Tagalog. And since wala akong onion, nag-use ako ng scallions. Yan. I-dice din po siya. Depende po sa inyo kung anong size. Chop na. Yan, chop po. Then next, of course, paandarin niyo po yung gasol niyo. Stove. And then put some oil. And then the garlic. Okay, and then sinunod yun na po yung beef. By the way, yung beef po, linagyan ko ng black pepper and then salt for seasoning. Kasi po, for mix, kailangan ko siyang libudan ng black pepper. Yan. So you need to simmer it, and then after that you put some corn, cream of corn yung ginamit ko dito. Yan. Okay, of course you need to cover it, making sure na maluluto yung beef to make it tender or until tender. So, kung feeling mo na okay na siya, pag tinikman mo, luto na, lagyan mo to ng milk. Yung milk na ginamit ko dito is fresh milk. Or, pwede din kayong gumamit ng evaporada or evap. And then, let it boil as well or simmer it to boil. Masarap siya. Nakita ko kasi merong menu for beef and mushroom, but I don't have mushroom, so what I did is just beef and cream of corn. And there you have it, guys.